Hey you guys, we have decided to give Bumbleberry Flats one more try for breakfast. The last couple of times we did not have good experiences, both food and service. So we're really hoping third's the charm, and we'll let you know what we think. Hey you guys, we just finished breakfast here at Bumbleberry Flats at the Pioneer in Laughlin, and our last two experiences weren't great, so we thought we'd give it one more try. We're just running out of options here for breakfast. Everybody keeps closing, so I would say it was a mixed bag. So my fresh fruit was beautiful. If you could see that bowl, everything was good, even the melon, which is very difficult, it seems, to get good melon anywhere. So that was really good. Hash browns, crispy, soft in the middle, like cooked really well, I thought. Good sourdough toast. And the problem for my breakfast was the omelet. And this is like third try. I've tried to have an omelet here, and they just don't know how to cook an omelet. It was definitely well overcooked. I don't know if you could tell from the photo, but it was not pretty to look at to begin with, kind of a brownish tinge to it. And then if you could see those knife cuts, or lack of knife cuts, on the vegetables inside, it was just huge pieces that were just really unappetizing. So mine was not good. I'm not trying to bag on the place or anything, because like your breakfast looked good, and other than my omelet, everything was really good. So I would say, just my advice, don't order an omelet. I probably should have gone with 2 eggs over medium, which I was contemplating, but trying to get a little veg in. But your breakfast was good overall though, right?
Yeah, it's strange. Mine was awesome. I mean, the ham steak was huge. It was nicely grilled, had a great flavor to it. Eggs were cooked perfectly. That's what's so much different about Stacy's omelet. Like, I had really good eggs. Hash browns were really good, nice and crispy and tender on the inside. Love their sourdough toast. It's great toast. And I mean, it was a huge breakfast. I can eat a lot. I didn't finish the ham. It was really too big, but it was excellent. I loved it.
Yeah, it had a nice char on it
did.
too, like, grill
flavor.
marks. Yeah,
and very tender. I mean, it was easy to cut. And
yeah, that's good. I'm glad.
Yeah.
And our server was so nice.
Yeah,
we
she's
always
so
have
good.
good service,
Yeah.
and certainly not her fault or anything. But so, I guess, would we come back? It's not the cheapest place on the river for sure.
No.
And like, I guess, we might come back just for a variety, of foods, but because there aren't that many places, it seems like,
like if you just got your eggs over medium, or scrambled or something.
But I wouldn't go for an omelet, just let you know. And I'm an omelet girl, so it's kind of a bummer. But at any rate, let us know if you've eaten at Bumbleberry Flats and what you think. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.